Hey there, it's Kenny with Rasmus Auctions. Today we're in an estate with a woodworking shop over in Locust, Virginia. I'm going to take you for a walk around and show you some of the stuff that's going to be sold in this auction. So this is the shop area. We've got a couple different band saws, drill presses, very nice new machinery, a couple shop vacs, a unisaw, more woodworking machinery. We've got all of our powered hand tools over here. Got your circular saws, your ear protection, your belt sanders, your jigsaws, your hand planers, drills, and more. We are selling this large stack of wood, of assorted woods. Got a drum sander over here, a nice workbench with a vise on it. Very nice. Bench grinder. All right, got a bunch of different assorted clamps throughout this entire shop. It's a very nice vintage wood table. And another dust collector back there. Got another bandsaw. All right. Downstairs, we have a nice tractor, which I'll show you. Very nice Kubota, four-wheel drive, beat 4200. We weren't able to get it started up during the ID, but I think we just need to put a new battery in it. All right, now we're going to take a walk inside the estate. I'll show you some of the goods in there. All right, so inside the kitchen area, we've got a bunch of different assorted glasswares, kitchenwares, coffee makers, toaster ovens, china. Very nice table right here, dining table. It has 3 extra leaves that come with it. Nice clock. And then inside this living room area, assorted armchairs, sofas, more chairs, and more decor. Back here is going to be our master bedroom. Nice queen size bed, cedar chest. Also a bedroom set. Got a dresser hiding in the bathroom. All right, going down to the foyer area. Here's another dining area. Some more dining chairs, assorted silver plate. Assorted decor. Lots of different lamps, table lamps, floor lamps, you name it. We'll take our last view of the stuff upstairs. So we got an office lot up here. Here's more of that bedroom set. Nice vanity. Very cool rug. And the kids' bedroom, kids' rocking chairs, beds, bunk beds, dressers, and more. Okay, everybody, thank you for tuning in and happy bidding.